Now we'll draw the involute. The question will be like this. Draw the involute of circle of diameter 60 mm. So for this, first we need to draw the circle of diameter 60 mm, right? So first draw the circle with 60 mm diameter, and next divide the circle into 12 equal parts and name the divisions in clockwise direction. So next, from the bottom of the circle, draw the horizontal of length equal to pi d as the circumference of the circle. Next, divide this line into 12 equal parts by inclined line method, and next after that just name the point P here at the bottom of the circle. Okay. Next after this, you need to draw the tangent lines or 90 degrees lines from the divisions on the circle. First one from 1. I just drawn the 90 degrees line from 1. Next, in the same way, I drawn the one more 90 degrees line from 2. Next, 90 degrees line from 3. 90 degrees line from 4. And next 90 degrees line from 5. 90 degrees line from 6. A right angle line from 7. Right angle line from 8. Right angle line from 9. Right angle line from 10. And next right angle line from 11. In the final, one more right angle line from 12. When you draw the line that coincides with the PR line, right? So after doing like this, now with the help of compass, now by taking radius P1, radius equal to P1 and 1 center. What is the radius? This one is the radius, 1 as center. You need to draw one arc cutting the line drawn from 1 at P1. Got it? I repeat, take P1 as radius, 1 as center, draw the arc to cut the right angle line drawn from 1 at P1. Next, take P2 as radius, 2 as center, draw the arc cutting the 90 degrees line at P2. Next, P3 radius, 3 center, like this you need to take P2 3 radius, and next 3 center, you need to draw the arc to cut the right angle line drawn from 3 at P3. Next, P4 radius, 4 center, arc to cut the 90 degrees line at P4. Similarly, you need to repeat the same procedure by taking different points and next with different centers. You are going to get different points. You'll get P7 here, P8 here, P9 here, and P10 here, 11 here. So check the last step. P12 as radius, next 12 as center. We need to draw the arc to cut the line right angle line drawn from 12. So when you draw the arc, it is going to cut the line exactly at 12. Now this is P12. Now after getting the points from P1 to P12, now you need to join the points starting from P. So now this is the P, this one is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. The curve should be smooth. P6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this one 12. So like this you need to draw the invalid.